A recent report on artificial intelligence has raised the question of whether AI has evolved to reason like humans. But is it true? Are we all about to be replaced by reasoning robots? In this episode, we're going to dive into what's really going on, explore what's being said and presented by researchers, and get to the bottom of these claims. Are you ready?
Changing the World Technology with George Levy. Brought to you by Blockchain Institute of Technology and AI Institute of Technology.
Artificial intelligence is making significant strides in recent years with the introduction of advanced AI language models such as OpenAI's GPT-4. These models have sparked exciting conversations among scientists, leading some to question if AI has reached what is known as Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. AGI represents the concept of AI systems possessing reasoning abilities that closely resemble human intelligence. Now, it's not about creating machines that are conscious, but rather developing machines that are artificial intelligence and can think and solve problems in ways similar to how humans do. A group of researchers from Microsoft recently conducted a study that provides valuable insights into this subject. In their 155-page report titled Sparks of Artificial General Intelligence, Early Experiments with GPT-4, the researchers present evidence suggesting that GPT-4 exhibits signs of AGI. In one very interesting example, they involve a task where GPT-4 was asked to stack a book, 9 eggs, a laptop, a bottle, and a nail in a stable manner. The system provided a logical solution by suggesting placing the laptop on top of the eggs with the screen facing down and the keyboard facing up. This setup would establish a solid foundation using the book and the eggs, showing a grasp of geometry and stability similar to how humans think. However, it's worth noting that not all AI researchers agree on the timeline or feasibility of achieving AGI. Some believe that AGI is still many years away, and there are some that even think that AGI will never be possible at all. One of the challenges in making these bold claims is that there's an absence of a widely accepted definition of AGI. Different researchers have different views on what constitutes AGI and how to accurately measure it. Additionally, attributing human traits to AI systems can be problematic. As humans, we often make the mistake of assigning human qualities to artificial intelligence, even when it may not be accurate or appropriate to do so. And while the idea of AI thinking like humans is incredibly interesting, it's essential to approach the topic with caution. The field of AI research and development is evolving rapidly, and ongoing studies and experiments will provide us with more knowledge about the potential of AI systems to think like humans. Bottom line, recent advancements in AI like OpenAI's GPT-4 have sparked conversation about whether AI can advance to the point of human-like thinking. However, there are different opinions and ongoing debates among AI researchers. From the looks of it and the evidence presented in the Microsoft report, AI still has work to do before achieving artificial general intelligence. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something in the process. I bring you brand new videos every single week, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, I'm George Levy. We're changing the world, one blockchain at a time. See you next time.